Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 9 English medium chapter number. Start learning chapter number 2. Chapter name is matter around us here. Is matter around us here. So in first chapter we have to study about matter. What is matter? Matter means particles contain mass and volume is called matter. And after matter definition, characteristic of matters and others properties and different types of matter. So learn in chapter number 1. Now in chapter number 2, learn about matter purity. So the different types of matter, for example milk, butters and other sugar, salt, fruit, juice. So any substance can be say that it's all are pure. So the answer is not, because in a small portion or a different portion are included in this milk. So milk contain lactic acid and other vitamins. So all are included mixed in the milk. So we can say that this is a pure substance. Pure substance means only one kind of particles, one kind of matter are present in all units is called pure. It means particles made of only one type of particles. So whole unit is made of only one type of particle. Then we can say that this is a pure substance. Now, what is mixture? So pure means understand that only one made of only one particles is called pure. And what is impure? Or a mixture. So more than one or two types of particles are included in. So it's called mixture of these two or more substance. So pure substance means what? Is made of only one particles. It's only made by only one type of particles is called pure substance. And another is mixture. It means two or more types of particles are included, then it's called mixture. For example, milk, butter, these all type of substance are more than one type of particle. It means minerals, vitamins, different types of acid. So it's called mixture. And here is pure means only one type of particles are present in pure substance. So understanding definition of mixture, take type of mixture. So one type is homogeneous mixture and another type heterogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixture, for example, sugar plus water is an example of homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous mixture, it means salt plus, for example, another particles like flour or rice, salt, other impurities. So different type of mixture, salt plus rock. salt plus rice. This example of heterogeneous. What is homogeneous? Homogeneous means after mixing two or more than two particles each other, then this mixture is homogeneous. It means we cannot see sugar after dissolving water, so we can't see that sugar particle in water. But in opposite, heterogeneous mixture, so it's mixture, one type of mixture that can be see both particles, salt and rice, after mixing of suitable fixture or suitable proportion. After mixing, we can easily separate it by naked eyes because we can see in naked eyes. But a homogeneous mixture, we cannot see these particles in a mixture. So homogeneous means after adding two substance is completely dissolved, completely disappear, so we cannot separate, cannot see by naked eyes. And heterogeneous mixture is a mixture, is type of mixture that we can see after mixing salt particle and rice particles. Separation, discuss about separation. So the homogeneous mixture, separation can easily in a simple way. For example, evaporation after heating. So this type of method are using. And heterogeneous, so particles can see naked eyes, so easily separate by physical method. Filtration, this type of method can applicable for this substance. So first we understand matter is pure, definition of mixture. After this, understanding homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now next topic is solution. So the solution is made of two parts. One part is solute and another is solvent. So solute means portion is less. Portion is less proportion, and solvent means in a more proportion. So this is a called a solvent. For example, water. In water, sugar cube are dissolved, then created sugar solution. In sugar solution, sugar portion is less, therefore sugar is known as solute particles, and water portion is more, therefore is called solvent. And solution plus solvent 2 gives solution. Solute plus solvent give solution. So solution means one solute portion, another is solvent portion, and this portion is called solution. And remember that in a solution, solute is a less proportion and solvent in a more proportion. So discuss detail in next lecture. So in this lecture we have to study pure substance, mixture, type of mixture, there are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Next, solution. After